So I'm just doing a little sound comparison between a couple popular Clicky switches. Starting from the left, this is an Outemu box blue, then an SKCM blue Alp, the Kailh box navy, the cherry MX blue, and the Kailh box white. If you see any other switches in the back that you want me to compare, let me know. All of these are Clicky switches. So I'm going to start with the Kailh box navy. I'm going to put this closer to the microphone so you guys can actually hear it. Here's a cherry MX blue. Here's the Kailh box white. Here's the Outemu box blue. And here's an SKCM blue Alp. Now, none of these switches really feel like each other, but there is one switch that I do have that I think compares to the box navy switches. It's an Alps clone. I don't know who makes it, and I don't know where to get more of them. They have a really sharp tactile bump, and right after the click, they fall all the way down to the bottom, just like the box navies do. This is what they sound like. So that's it, and if there are any other Clicky switches you want me to compare, let me know. There's a bunch of them in the back right here. Got some Outemus. Got a bunch of Kailh Clicky switches, so let me know.